This video ultra sculpting Maki Zenin from Jujutsu Kaisen in 3D using only my Android phone. Start with the bowl and stretch it into head, then add neck and stretch her upper torso. Clone it for her waist. One ball for her pelvis and two for her thick thighs. Cloned again for her long legs, for knees and then her feet. Two more for shoulders, stretched for arms and hands, and finally two for her butt. Widen her back, shape chest and slim her waist. Shape her butt, neck and her traps. Go for shoulders, upper arm, lower arm and hand. Do her thighs and also her legs. And finally give her some breast and shape them with care. Do her eye sockets, chin, nose, jaw, neck, thigh, butt and mouth. Focus on the mouth a bit more. Give her an upper lip and then the lower lip as well. Make them desirable. Carve her nostrils, then give her eyeballs and slowly cover them with eyelids. Shape the eyelids a bit better. Then let her hear by giving her a pair of ears. Shape them good and position. Then start giving some extra love to all her body parts one by one. Switch to matte cap for better visibility and continue giving her love. The look I was gonna go for does not require her to be so stacked. Other than her arms, no muscle would be visible, but I can't let Maki not have muscles. I gave her some nice and juicy back, belly, abs. Then I attended to her elbow, forearm, biceps, then went to chest and back muscles. Her thighs needed to be thicker, so I gave them some extreme care and did her legs nice. I forgot to record, so I did undo and redo to show you the ears done. Also, I gave her eyes so that she can see us too. Mask extracted her hairbase and eyebrows. Used this tube tool with curves to give her some eyelashes. Now it was time to blind her in one eye, so I masked the rest and closed her left eye. Redid the eyelash, also hinted the scar on her eye. My thirst didn't go, so I worked some more on her muscles that won't even be visible. Straightened her back, carved the belly button for her belly, did some more care for her legs, and then it was time to fight baldness. I used curve tools to make her hair one by one. Copy, rotate, move and it's a new hair. I repeated the whole process till she was no longer bald. Finally did some unevenness so it doesn't look weird, and that's done. It was time to tend to her hands, gave her nice palm and hard knuckles and went on to make her fingers. Used tube again for finger and worked on it till it looked fingerish. Copied, rotated, positioned, repeat till all fingers were in place, made the thumb using a finger as well. Mask extracted and covered her in cloths, and the muscles are never to be seen again. I'll add folds to the clothes and apparently a belt will appear around her waist, which I definitely did not sculpt off recording. The way I did shoes, it's the first time for me. I never done shoes specifically, so I was clueless. Anyhow, I finally did get the result I was hoping for, so it's all well. I really liked the extra part at the bottom of shoes. It looked so nice to me. Then I combined the folds and stretches of the cloth all around the body. It was time to add buckle to the belt, but I generally forgot how it should be placed, and now while editing I realized how wrong it is done, but it won't be much of a focus. Then use tube again for the belt holders thingies around her waist. Again, after one was done, I cloned and positioned the rest of them. For final stage, it was time to color and texture, so I used a pinkish tone to paint the skin tone variation first, and later used a darker color to do the soft shadows around the deeper areas. Did the iris with nice darker brown color and black for her pupils. Now for the scars, I used the stain brush with some custom made scar alphas with reddish color to give her those iconic burn marks around her arms. Finally added those over her face as well. Now it's time to make things serious. Starting with eye, then eyelashes and mouth as well. A soft frown expression for her silent anger. Lastly, posing her with some simple mask move and rotate. Also, I went off record and made these two blades for her. So I gave the blades in her hands using gizmo tool and let her hold those. But the posing ruined her arms, so I had to do that again. So after I was done with that, this is the turntable of Maki Zenin. And now enjoy the final render.